Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the steps to add the year of your marriage on Facebook using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to keep your profile up to date with important milestones in your life. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Facebook. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for your profile photo at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your profile. Now that you're on your profile, find the About section. This is where you can edit various details about yourself. Click on About to proceed. Next, look for the Family and Relationships tab within the About section. This is where you can manage all information related to your personal relationships. Click on this tab to continue. You'll see your current relationship status displayed here. Next to it, there's an Edit icon. Click on this icon to make changes to your relationship details. Now, a menu will pop up allowing you to select options related to your relationship status. Here, you can choose the year of your marriage from a drop-down list. Make sure to select the correct year that reflects when you tied the knot. After selecting the year, don't forget to click Save to ensure that your changes are applied. It's that simple. Your friends and family will now see the updated year of your marriage on your profile. Updating this information not only keeps your profile current, but also helps share significant moments with those in your social circle. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Facebook effectively. Thank you for watching, and enjoy connecting with friends and family on Facebook.